विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे. Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back. So we are discussing shloka number 13, chapter 4, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We've already started this discussion since last two episodes, so please watch them and then continue to watch this. In the last video, we were actually making a comparative analysis on this important parameter called time. On one hand, we were seeing how much time was available for people to practice bhakti, practice Krishna consciousness in the Vedic time versus now the current modern time. And clearly, there was ample time during the Varnashrama system, during the Vedic system for people to practice bhakti versus now. We are so pressed for time in the current situation. Now let's move on to second parameter that I want to talk about. I'm going to combine unemployment and inflation together. So let's talk about employment during the Varnashrama system. There was no question of unemployment during the times because it was all within the family. In a Brahmana family, a young man, a young boy, they will start assisting their father from the beginning. If he is going somewhere for doing some puja and all that, his son also will accompany him. And if there is, a Vaishya family, any kind of business they are into, children don't have to learn it separately by going to an MBA university or something like that. They will just learn through osmosis. If a father is sitting in a store and selling something, the boy will also start sitting there and doing it, helping the father and learning. And by the time he is an adult, he is full-fledged, he can do his own thing. And agriculture also, at a very young age, the kids would become contributing members of the family. It's not like 25, 30 years like, you have to get an undergrad degree, grad degree, and then post-graduation degree, and then you go to the job, and then you have a big student loan. Now we have to invest crores of rupees and send our schools to the slaughterhouse, also called schools, just to make them stand on their feet. But earlier for employment, that was not the case. Even as young as 10, 12 years, they become contributing members of the family. Children were not a burden. And unemployment was out of question. Everybody would have his own piece of land and be quite happy with it. So unemployment during the Krishna created Varnashrama system, Vedic system was zero, but whereas now unemployment is running in double digits across the world. Even in these current times, as we are speaking, because of the coronavirus situation, people are less afraid of getting affected by corona, but more afraid of losing their jobs. Now that is quite telling. Now, how can we expect somebody whose job is so uncertain, anytime he may lose his job, if we tell him, please sit and chant Hare Krishna, will he be happily sit and peacefully chant Hare Krishna? No, anytime he may lose his job. But earlier times, employment is very secure. He is not dependent on a boss. He is not dependent on a company to fire him anytime. He is quite secure. He has his land, he has his family business. His employment is assured. So peacefully he can focus on his devotional practices. So this is just about employment comparison. Now what about inflation? In the current times, what is inflation? It's man-made. Is there a recession because there is no rain or something? Is there a recession because there was a natural disaster? There's recession because it's made by man. How is he making it? A few people sitting on top of the pyramid, they are actually controlling how much money will be there in the system because there is no limit. They can print as much paper money as they want. Unlike the earlier days where it was based on gold coins. And there is only set amount of gold in the world, but now it's paper currency. What is it? They determine how much paper currency will be printed. They determine what is the interest rate at which we borrow money. So how much money is available in the system and how much money can people borrow by raising or decreasing the interest rates, they are controlling it. So inflation is man-made, recession is man-made. But earlier this was not the case. It's all localized, self-sufficient system. We don't have to sit somewhere and worry about some economy in America getting trampled, and then because of that across the globe some crisis will waves will happen and somebody may lose job somewhere else. That was not the case. So even on this parameter, briefly I'm touching upon it. I'm not even going into the details, but I'm guessing that you're getting my point. Even considering the unemployment and the inflation point, the Krishna created Varnashrama system is thumbs up, and the man created so-called modern system, thumbs down. So tomorrow, again, when we come back in the next video, we will talk about yet another parameter and continue our comparative study, okay? Until then, you take care. Hare Krishna.